Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time to write us a 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leaving us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.